Okay, and then I just take a small paring knife like this, and I just want to gently cut. Okay, so I'm just scoring it a couple of times, and then I lift this up and tear this part off. Okay, we can remelt that. We're not going to use that part. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to have two pieces of chocolate, one that goes halfway up and the other one that goes here. So we're going to be stacking like 1, 2. So let me get a ruler here and measure. So the cake is about 4 inches high. Well, they're probably going to stick up about 5 inches, so they need to be about 2.5 inches long at least. I'm actually going to cut them at 3 inches. Okay, so this is 3 inches long right about here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It actually looks better if it's not totally perfect. And I might have the air conditioner up a little too high. This might actually be a little too hard. And then you just want to cut strips this way. Nice thing about this, you want them all close but not exactly the same. Okay, so close to being, let's see, close to 2 inches wide, but this one's about, what, 1 3/4 wide. Like I said, they don't all have to be the same. Then you can use this kind of as a guide to cut some more. And then we're going to need some of that melted chocolate there also to act as a glue. Okay, so let me just move this out of the side, and then we can start. Okay, so you bring your cake over towards you. Have some of the melted chocolate here, because that's going to act as a glue. Now this part that was the top, that's going to go against the cake, because the nicer part is the part that was actually against the parchment paper. So we're just going to take these, and we'll start at the bottom. Put some chocolate behind it. Place it right up there. Okay, and then I put a little bit more chocolate here, and then I place one right on top. You have to hold it there for a second or two. Okay, you can wipe off that excess chocolate there. Make sure if you have any chocolate dripping down that you get rid of that. Okay, and then we're going to go this way, and we're just going to overlap slightly. A little chocolate on this side too. Okay, and we can do a couple on the bottom and then go back and do it. I just don't like to do all the bottom row and then all the top row. But it's okay to do like 1 or 2 at the bottom and then go back and do the ones above it. And then I don't always have them all the same height either. You can have some slightly up, some slightly down. It looks a little bit better.